Happy Valentine's Day. It is February the 14th, 2021. And welcome to this week's Cruise and Travel Show. I am Chris with High Seas Cruising. And welcome to a cold and frozen day from Texas. You know, I don't know how you folks up north can handle that. I've seen the videos y'all outside playing in the snow, having a good old time. It's dropped below 30 degrees here and we are hiding inside, hibernating like bears. Kudos to y'all, because I don't know how you manage to do it. It gets cold like this, ice starts to form on everything, and yeah, it's more than I can handle. But enough of that. Let's get started with this week's show right after this. Alright, welcome back. Alaska. Still a question on everybody's mind. I know it's still a question on my mind as we all wait to see what's going to happen with that. So the cruise lines have stopped accepting reservations for Alaska cruises this year, but they have not canceled those of us that have reservations already. So I've seen comments from both Royal Caribbean and Carnival Cruise Lines that says they are working with both the US and the Canadian governments looking for solutions to see if they can do anything to save the Alaska cruise season. Which of course would mean for the US would mean a waiver for the Jones Act or possibly a technical stop for Canada. So as far as those cruises go right now, it's pretty much just a wait and see what's going to happen. I know Royal Caribbean has extended the final payment due date down to 45 days for those that have Alaskan cruises booked with them. I've not seen any information yet from any of the other cruise lines, but I honestly expect we'll hear something from them here at the beginning of this next week. I know for us, our final cruise payment is due here on the 22nd of this month. And at this point, if we don't hear something one way or another, I'm not 100% positive I'm going to be making that final cruise payment. But like everybody else, we're just going to kind of do a wait and see what goes on with it. So this week, Royal Caribbean has joined Norwegian Cruise Lines in wanting to get all of their crew vaccinated. They sent an email out to their crew. They sent emails out to their crew members this week indicating that, and I'm going to go ahead and put that up here on the screen now. So what it says, dear crew members, the COVID-19 pandemic has presented extraordinary challenges over the last year. It has impacted our lives, our work, and our communities. Just like you are, we are eager to get back to sailing again. We have been working hard in collaboration with government entities, scientists, and experts to continue to develop our plan to keep our guests, crew, and communities we visit safe. The new COVID-19 vaccines present a new opportunity to do just that. The vaccines are a way to build protection for you and your loved ones and our guests. So essentially, they just want to get all of the crew vaccinated. They have not said how they plan to do that yet, meaning is it going to be a requirement for crew members to get vaccinated in their home countries before joining a ship, or if at some point Royal Caribbean is going to be able to actually administer the vaccine to their crew members. They're able to get it from a government, purchase it from a government, and be able to do it themselves. We'll have to see on that one as well. It just simply indicates that they want all of their crew members vaccinated, something that Norwegian Cruise Line also has done. And a new feature on the MSC Virtuosa come out is the Starship Club. They've got a new robot. His name is Rob. I'll put a picture up here of Rob. And he's going to be serving drinks in the new club here. Let you guys take a quick look at him. Kind of an interesting looking concept. A futuristic kind of spaceport vibe to it. Supposed to be able to have head movements, body movements, arms, and multiple facial expressions, and make up drinks that have up to 40 ingredients in them. I definitely would be interested in sailing on that ship and checking that out. It's kind of a neat and unique concept. And of course, robot bartenders cannot catch COVID. So at least one less person to have to worry about on the ship. Other than that, it's been a fairly quiet week for cruising. said everything's in a holding pattern. Winter cruise is going to start. Winter test cruise is going to start. What's going to happen with Alaska? Our cruise ship's going to start to sail out of other ports like Cozumel. Use that as a home port to be able to get some cruising resumed. At this point, we're just kind of waiting to see what's going to happen. And believe me, it sucks. You can't make plans. You can't book any cruises with any kind of certainty right now until we kind of know what's going on. And it's a tough situation, especially if you're ready to take a vacation. We're in the same boat. I'm really torn between, do I wait it out? Do I see what's going to happen? Or do I just go ahead and shift gears all the way now and take a vacation and start planning a vacation I know we can go and do? I know last week we talked about traveling down to the Virgin Islands, and I'm starting to think more and more that at least this year for 2021, that might be the best plan. But at the same time, I just cannot give up all hope on going on a cruise. Cruising is definitely our preferred way to travel. It's our preferred way to vacation. I would love it and completely hooked on it. I mean, our love of it is why I even started this YouTube channel. It was to share our experiences and our love of cruising with everybody else. But I'm ready to go on vacation again. I am ready to plan, ready to book, and ready to go. Well, I hope you enjoyed this week's cruising show. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, smash that button for us, subscribe to our channel, and keep up with all the news and travel information in all of our adventures. And we will see you out on the high seas eventually.